What you growing?
A little bit of chicken, a little bit of sausage later, you know? See what's up.
Here's a thermometer.
Oh, thanks, man.
You gotta go deeper.
How you been doing, bro?
Yeah, living life.
You quit your job yet?
No, not yet. Not yet. Almost. How about you? How's your job going?
Awful as always. Yeah, it's getting a little burnt. It's alright. Hey, man.
Is it place? Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Well, let's dig in.